Hello students, this is your creative writing class. Today we will solve exercise 11 from book 4. So we start our lesson. Here you can see A part on page number 96. The various forms of media communicate information to people all over the world. Try to answer the following questions. 1. Can you list the different forms of media that we encounter every day? Answer. They are newspapers, televisions, radio, internet, magazines, brochures, and posters. 2. Different forms of media provide us with different information and news. List 3 forms of media, example magazines, newspaper, etc. State the kind of information they provide. 1. Newspaper. They provide us up-to-date information and knowledge about daily events and what is happening locally and around the world. 2. Television. Advertisement on television keeps us in touch with the latest trends and fashion in market. Moreover, programs on current affairs tell us about political issues. 3. The Internet. Internet is a popular media of communication these days. We not only get information about our required search, but also keep in touch with our friends through social media. B. Read the following weather report, then complete the chart. And now comes our local weather report. Sunny for most of the day with the temperature going up to 30 degrees. Overnight, the temperature will drop to 24 degrees. For other cities in the region, Manila continues to experience rain with the temperatures between 18 to 25 degrees. In Jakarta, sunny in the morning with thunderstorm in the late afternoon. The highest temperature will be at 31 degrees and the lowest at 24 degrees. Karachi is slightly cooler today. It is cloudy with a temperature of 28 degrees in the day. Overnight, the temperature will be down to 18 degrees. Here you can see a chart. Here in the first column, weather in general today. In the second column, highest temperature. In the third, lowest temperature. And in the last icon, local, Manila, rainy, highest 25 degrees, lowest temperature 18 degrees. Jakarta, weather in general, sunny, thunderstorm, highest 31 degrees, lowest 24 degrees. Karachi, cloudy, highest temperature 28 degrees, lowest temperature 18 degrees. And at the end, there are icons. C. Read the news reports. Answer the questions which follow. 1. A commercial plane flying from London to New York crashed and burst into flames yesterday evening. There were 80 passengers and 16 crew members on board. At least 12 passengers were killed and more than 80 injured. A. What happened to the plane? Answer. The plane crashed and burst into flames. B. How many people were there on the plane? Answer. There were 96 people on plane. C. What was the destination of the flight? Answer. It was New York. D. How many people were dead and injured in the crash? Answer. At least 12 passengers were killed and more than 80 injured. 2. Again is a paragraph. A 15-year-old boy, Peter Emerson, is recovering at home after being trapped all night in a cold store at the butcher's shop where he works after school. The door was accidentally locked as he was putting meat into the store. He shouted and kicked the door, but no one heard his cries for help. He kept warm by jumping and running around the store. He was trapped for 10 hours before he was rescued. A. What happened to the boy? Answer. The boy was trapped all night in a cold store at the butcher's shop. B. Why did he go into the cold store? Answer. He was putting meat in the cold store. C. Why couldn't he get out of the store? Answer. The door was accidentally locked. He shouted and kicked the door, but no one heard him. D. How long was he trapped in the cold store? Answer. He was trapped in the cold store for 10 hours. E. What did he do in the cold store that kept him alive? Answer. He kept warm by jumping and running around the store. Again, paragraph D. You are an editor in a news agency. Your job is to edit the news written by the reporters and then post them on the internet. This summer, the World Cup is going to be hosted by South Africa. There will be 32 national football teams competing for the cup. Teams from Asia, including Australia, Japan, North Korea, and South Korea, will take part in the game. According to several polls on the internet, the most hopeful champion will be the Portugal national team because they have several well-known and skillful football players such as Cristiano Ronaldo. Now rewrite the news above according to your revision to make it suitable and easy to read on the internet. The World Cup this summer is hosted by South Africa. 32 national football teams will compete, including Asian teams. Internet polls says that skillful players like Cristiano Ronaldo will help Portugal to take home the championship. E. Writing task. You are a reporter. Recently, you experienced a fire in the office building late one evening while you were working. Write a news report about it. The following questions will help you. Brainstorming guidelines. 1. When did the fire happen? Answer. It was 10 o'clock on Wednesday night. 2. Who were the people in the building at that time? I was in the building with my colleagues at that time. 3. What were the people's reactions to the fire? Answer. Ali was much worried. He wanted to take the lift. I called for fire brigade. 4. Who first discovered the fire? Answer. Ali discovered the fire for first time. 5. How was the fire put out? Answer. Fire brigade officers put out the fire with their hoses. 6. How did you feel at that time? Answer. I was scared at first, then worried, and when the fire brigade put out the fire, I was relieved. Now, with the help of the guidelines, write a concise report of about 100 words on the fire. Give your report a suitable headline. The headline: Fire at Karim Tower. Last Sunday, a fire broke out in the first floor of Karim Tower. My colleagues and I were working at that time. Ali spotted the fire for the first time. He was much worried and tried the lift. I also wanted to take the lift, but I called the fire brigade quickly. Fire brigade officers came in few minutes and put out the fire with hoses. I was happy and relieved as no one was injured there. F. Practice in creative writing. Read the following conversation between the school newspaper reporter and Jack, a student in the same school. Reporter, congratulations, you won the first prize in the national mathematics competition. Jack, thank you. Reporter, this is the third time that you have won the first prize in the annual competition, right? Jack, yes. Reporter, that is amazing. Do you think you have a gift in doing mathematics? Jack, I don't think I have a special gift, but I am indeed very interested in numbers. Reporter, why are you so fond of mathematics? Jack, I like to solve mathematical problems. I find this challenging and feel a sense of achievement when I get the right answers. Reporter, why are you so fond of mathematics? Jack, I like to solve mathematical problems. I find this challenging and feel a sense of achievement when I get the right answers. Reporter, do you have a special way of studying mathematics? Jack, I believe that interest plus hard work brings about success. Reporter, how do you feel right now about your win? Jack, I am very happy. Reporter, thanks for accepting my interview. Jack, you are welcome. Now, with the help of the guidelines, write a report about Jack based on the conversation. Give your article a suitable headline. Jack, winner of first prize. Jack, the president of Mathematics Club, won the first prize in the annual competition. And this is a third consecutive year that Jack has won this prize. Despite excelling in mathematics, he doesn't think it is a special gift. But he is so fond of mathematics and likes to solve mathematics problems. These problems are a challenge for him and he feels a sense of achievement when he gets the right answer. Jack is very happy with win. Thanks for listening. For new videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my videos, please share and like.